If you are looking for an extremely clear, bright, and premium display for your next hardware project, you need to check this out. Today, we're unboxing a vacuum fluorescent display, or VFD module from Noritake. Noritake VFD are legendary for their high contrast and wide viewing angles. This specific catalog helps us visualize their exact physical dimensions alongside the PCB layout on the back. From Noritake, we have 3 different sizes powered up and displaying text both in English and Hindi. Because VFD emit their own light, the characters look crisp, sharp, and readable, even from a distance. These modules support multiple display modes, custom fonts, graphics, and even variable brightness levels. From compact 2-line text displays to wider formats, they are easily controlled using microcontrollers. Whether you're building industrial equipment, retro electronics, or premium audio gear, Noritake VFD modules deliver that unmistakable, high-quality glow.